guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a Valentine's makeup look. So starting off, I already did my eyebrows and now I'm setting it with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour palette, and I'm using the banana shade to set where I put my concealer. Next, onto the eyeshadow, I am using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using the shade Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange and mixing those two with a blending brush and using it on the crease of my eyes. And I keep blending that in a windshield wiper motion, and I'm looking away sometimes in the video, and it's because I was watching Friends, so yeah. Next, using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I am using the color Roxanne, and I'm putting that on the outer corners of my crease or my eyelid, and I'm using the same blending brush. Next, using the Morphe 35O palette, I am getting the color that is on the fourth row, farthest to the right, and blending that, and putting that on the outermost V of my eye. Going back to the Jaclyn Hill palette, I am getting the color Jax and putting that on the outermost V of my eye to darken it up and blending it within my crease. And I'm doing that to both of my eyes. Next, I am getting my fluffy eyeshadow brush and blending all the shadow I have on my crease together. Next, I am using this Maybelline blush in a hot pink color, and I'm getting a shader brush and putting it on the lids of my eyes. I am also using a blending brush and blending it out. Back to the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I am using the colors Venetian Red and Love Letter, and I'm putting it on the outermost of my lid, and I'm going to keep blending it out. Next, I am going to be doing my eyeliner, and I'm using the NYX Liquid Matte Liner. After doing my eyeliner, I put on my Kiss 111 false eyelashes with my dual glue, clear glue, and I double stacked them to give them more of a dramatic effect. Next, I used my Tarte mascara and I put it on my lower lashes. Then you're all done with your eyeshadow, so moving on to the face makeup, I am using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300, and I'm blending that out with my Real Technique sponge. Then for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium, and I'm putting that in the high points of my face. And I blend it out with my Real Technique sponge, and I am setting my concealer with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Kit palette, and I'm using the banana shade to set it, and I'm using the contour shade to bronze my face. And then I attempt to contour my nose, but it didn't really work out. And I used a Tarte blush, I forgot the name of it, but I put that on my cheeks. Then I put chapstick on because, you can't really have chap lips now, can you? Then I used the Balm Mary Lou Manizer highlight, and I'm putting that in my inner corners, then on my brow bone, and then on the high points of my face for the highlight. I am also using the Fenty Glow highlighter in the shade Hustle Baby. I also used the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I used the color Summer, and I put that on the high points of my cheeks to make it even sparkle more. And if you want a more detailed video about my whole face routine, just comment down below and I'll do that. Well, that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a magical and wonderful day. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and put post notifications on. And I'll see you guys whenever.